Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a perfect wing liner with the Flick Stick eyeliner stamp. This video is mainly for beginners who struggle to draw their own wing liner. Aside from showing you how this eyeliner stamp can create a perfect wing, I'm also going to be doing a little mini review on this product and the pros and cons of this eyeliner stamp. So if you want to learn how to draw that perfect wing and is curious how this stamp is going to help you achieve that, then keep on watching.
Before we start, when you receive the product, this is what the packaging looks like. The product is called the Flick Stick and it is said to be waterproof, smudge-proof, and life-proof, which we will put to the test later. I'm not sure if you can see this, but it does have a shiny sticker indicating that it is 100% the original product. When you flip to the side, there are easy instructions for you to use this product, which is prep, stamp, and line. And on the back of this, it indicates that this product is cruelty-free and is a vegan product. When you open the box, there's actually two liner stamps. One is for the left wing and the other is for the right wing. Each stick has two sides. One side is the stamp and the other side is the pen for you to line your eyes. And it also comes with easy and straightforward instructions on how to use the product. This is what the right wing looks like, and this is what the left wing looks like. I'm just going to use the other side of the pen to draw some random lines, and it looks pretty good. It is definitely smudge proof, as when I try to smudge it out, it does not budge. So if I rub my eyes, this eyeliner should not move. Now let's see if it's waterproof. So when I spray it with water, it did not run, so it does have a very good staying power. I would recommend using an oil-based makeup remover to remove this product off your eyes.
So far, I'm pretty impressed with this product. Now I'm going to show you how I create this wing right here. Step number one is to prep the skin, and I'm just going to read off of the instruction card that they provided. For most people, applying to the clean skin or lightly powdered skin will be sufficient to achieve perfect wing all day. For best results, apply primer and powder to your eyelid and then use the Flick Stick. So I already have eyeshadow on, so that completes the prep stage. Step number two is stamp. So it says on the card to angle the point of the stamp towards the end of your eyebrow and press gently onto the skin with the base, then the arrow close to the lash line. For me, I prefer keeping my eyes slightly open so that I can see where I'm placing my wing. So where your eyebrow end is where you want to point the wing, so I'm going to stamp it.
I'm so sorry everyone, the stamp did not look perfect as this is my first time trying it, which is why I put this as an attempt number one. I will show you two more attempts using this product later on in this video. I think I pressed on the stamp for too long and you can tell that it isn't perfect. Now I'm going to try and stamp the other side. This time I did it quick and fast and it didn't stamp all the way. So on the right side, I stamped it for too long and the liner turned out fatter than what I wanted. And on the left side, I stamped it too quickly and it didn't stamp all the way. Again, I'm so sorry everyone. After when I went to edit this video, I didn't realize that I have my head below the camera the whole entire time while I was drawing my eyeliner. Anyways, I will show you a better view later in this video, but after fixing both sides, the eyeliner doesn't look bad. It is thicker than what I wanted, but when you add on the false lashes, it actually looks pretty good. So here is my attempt number two. This is a blue eyeshadow look that I did for my Colourpop on Cloud Blue review. I will put a link down below in the description box in case you want to watch how I created this blue eye makeup look. Step number one is to prep, and I already have eyeshadow on, so we move to step number two, and that is stamp. Again, even though the stamp is not perfect, but at least it created an outline for my wing. All I need to do now is to fill it in and line the rest of my eyes. After that is done, this is the final look for attempt number two. I hope you all like this second attempt, and now we move on to attempt number three. This eyeshadow look was created for my review on the Colourpop Lilac You A Lot palette, and if you're curious to see how I achieved this purple eye makeup look, I will leave a link in the description box below for you. So step number one is done as I already have eyeshadow on. Step number two is to stamp. Just a reminder that it is best to stamp the wing pointing towards the end of your eyeliner. Now I'm going to stamp. This time it is actually not too bad and I think I'm getting better at this. Now I'm going to line the rest of my eyeliner. I think using the stamp is much easier to use than me spending a lot of time on how to create my wing. I'm just going to clean up the wing so that it looks sharper and the lines are cleaner. After adding false lashes, this is the final look.
This is actually super easy to use. The pro is that it is smudge proof, so once drawn on, it won't move, and that's a good thing because you don't want your eyeliner to move throughout the day. I also like that this eyeliner is waterproof, so if you live in a humid area, at least you know that your eyeliner is not going to fade away. And now for the cons. The only thing I don't like about this product is that the stamp works well on a flat surface, but the skin around our eyes is not flat. So depending on your eye shape, the stamp might not stamp all the way, and you'll have to use the other side of the pen to fill in the gap, just like what I did earlier. I actually don't think that that is a huge deal because the stamp already create an outline for the wing, and filling in the rest is actually pretty easy. And that wraps up my review for this eyeliner. Let me know your thoughts on the Flick Stick in the comment section below. I hope you all enjoyed this review / tutorial, and if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.